If you want to learn how to edit your website on Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can update your website content, images, buttons, and sections without getting confused. Whether you're making a quick text change or publishing a bigger update, this guide will help you do it the right way. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your dashboard where all of your products and services are listed. If you manage more than one website, take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct account and domain. This is an important first step because it helps you avoid editing the wrong site. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows the hosting plans connected to your websites. Inside the hosting area, find the website you want to edit. If you have multiple sites, double-check the domain name so you know you're selecting the right one. Once you find it, click Go to cPanel. Now you'll be taken into cPanel, which is the control panel for your hosting account. If your website uses Namecheap Website Builder, this is where you'll open it. Look for Website Builder inside cPanel and click it to launch the builder. This will open the website editing interface where you can make visual changes to your site. After Website Builder loads, select your website and click Edit Site. This opens the editor for the page you want to update. At this point, you'll see your website layout on the screen and you can start making changes directly to the content. This is one of the easiest parts of the process because you can click almost anything on the page and edit it right away. Click on the text image button or section you want to change. For example, if you want to update a headline, just click the text area and type in your new wording. If you want to replace an image, click the image block and choose a new file. If you want to change a button, click it and update the label, link, or style. You can also select entire sections if you want to move or adjust larger parts of the page. As you make your edits, use the available editing options to fine-tune everything. Depending on the element you clicked, you may be able to change font size, alignment, colors, spacing, background settings, links, or other design options. Take your time here and make sure the website looks exactly how you want it to look. If you make a mistake, you can usually undo the last change or simply re-edit the section. Once you're happy with your updates, click Save. Saving is important because it stores all of the changes inside the editor before you push them live. Always make sure your work is saved before moving on to the next step. After that, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. This is the moment when your visitors will start seeing the updated version online. After publishing, open your domain in a new browser tab and check the updated website. This final check is really important because it lets you confirm that everything published correctly. Refresh the page if needed and review the text, images, buttons, and layout to make sure the changes appear exactly the way you intended. If something doesn't look right, you can go back into the editor and adjust it again. And that's it. You now know how to edit a website on Namecheap from the dashboard all the way through publishing your changes live. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.